That one particular person illa, it was from the day one. Nanna director Chetan sir, Nanna co-actor Vashishta sir. These two people has been my teachers throughout. From like I would sit with the script, always, and sleep with the script, wake up with the script. But I have these two amazing teachers, Chetan sir and Vashishta sir. They were there throughout to help me with each and every line. So yeah, they have been my teachers. Other than co-actor, I've been one student to Vashishta sir. So yeah, they've taught me this language, and it's still process. ಇವಾಗ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So very soon, I'll talk in Kannada. ಯಾ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಸರು ಫಿಲ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಜನನಿ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಜನನಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ರ. ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೆವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಜನನಿ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಜನನಿ ಗೋಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ತ್ರೀ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್. Like she's a college student, ಆದಮೇಲೆ she falls in love, and then she gets married. ಮದುವೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ she has a kid. So she's playing this college girl to, that level. Then she also has a child. So ತುಂಬ maturity it needed to play this character, and I have still not lived that, zone of life. But to put myself in that zone of Janani, because this character is it's so much emotions, there's so much happiness, yes, but tumba pain that she goes through. And that graph, playing that graph of Janani, tumba kashta. It was not at all easy, but yes, I would just say that ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು, ಲೈಕ್ ನನ್ನ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ that I have got to do something like Janani in my debut film. I mean, it's like, because generally heroines, you see, they come for songs and they look pretty and they go, but really tumba lucky that I got to have such a performance oriented role in my debut film. So for that, I'll be forever thankful to my director. Again, beauty pageants has their own kind of challenges. Like from outside, it appears to be tumba glamorous, tumba nice, and to just come and look pretty and then just go. But illa, it's not like that. I think in the finale, we had a training of almost 50 days in Bombay. And I can tell you, in that 50 days, every day, we hardly slept for just 2-3 hours. Ashte. That's it, we slept. It was, in fact, the hotel that was hosting us, management team, they would say that we thought beauty pageant would be, very nice and easy going. But they said it's like a boot camp training for you all. So, yes, that had its own challenges. But I always wanted, I've dreamt since ever that, I wanted to go to Miss India, represent my country internationally, admele become an actor. So very grateful that all of that has happened. So yeah, Femina Miss India was also like tumba chennagida experience, but adre with his own challenges. So in my Telugu film, so one of the Telugu films I had played was a love story. So again, this girl was a girl next door, but very beautiful love story it was. But didn't had variations like Janani has in this film. So that was there. In my Tamil film, I'm playing a agent who's also a journalist. So that is a very suspense character, central character of the entire film, because the film is a patriotic thriller, my Tamil film. So this girl, she speaks all languages. She speaks all languages in India, all the languages abroad. So she wakes up every day with, today she speaks German, tomorrow she speaks Spanish. That's how the character is. Again, playing that character was again a very good time. But Janani was the toughest in all of them. So yeah. Oh, ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ಆನ್ ಸೆಟ್ and I met him, I was like, sir, I mean, look at his age and that passion and dedication he has for cinema. I was surprised. But more than anything, such a good soul he is. Like, even when I was on set, they made me feel so comfortable. He used to talk to me like, shoot, like after the shot, admele, when lighting setup used to go on, he used to sit with me and, you know, discuss everything about my hometown, parents, and what is your plans, like so much like family. So I'm very grateful that, you know, in my debut Chitra, I got to work with Dhatana. I'd heard so much about him, like people used to, you know, tell about him. My director would say so much, and also, you know, ex-army officer and all of that. Such an inspiring story. So appa, that's what that I got to work with him. I think one very important thing that I learned from all the seniors, also Malvika ma'am was there in the film and Dhatana was there. I think honesty to your work is something that I've learned from them, you know. Working, sometimes we take it for granted. Shoot is going, okay, we'll come, like that. But no, they've been working since so many years, 50 plus films, 60 films, but still every time they come on set, it's like present. So that energy, that positive energy, that honesty to work, that dedication, I think I'm taking all of that. And next, Kannada cinema, all of that would be more for me. Bayasi, bayasi, no, I can just like some words, I can just hum. Lovely, na 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 na, lovely, na na na, lovely, lovely.